Welcome to Markets on Air. Interconnected world, smart machines set the pace. Interconnectivity is on display everywhere at this year's Hanover Trade Fair. There are lots of devices that communicate with each other digitally. These smart tools know what they're supposed to do, and they talk to other components. This is called Industry 4.0.
Industry 4.0 is like an anthill. Everyone works together and they're all connected with each other.
Industry 4.0 could soon grow into a billion-euro industry. A number of German companies are leading the way in the production of these smart machines.
The opportunities are huge, as you can see here at the trade fair. Industry 4.0 is the future, and we in Germany are on the cutting edge of it.
It'll take a lot of high-tech know-how and a lot of investment to make Industry 4.0 work. German companies are leading the international pack when it comes to finding technological solutions in this sector. The partner country at this year's Hanover Fair is India. German Chancellor Angela Merkel and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi are working to boost economic cooperation. I believe that we can increase trade between our two countries, even though Germany is already India's largest European trading partner. India's business leaders are keen to learn as much as they can about Industry 4.0, because they'll need new technology to keep their economy growing.
€40 billion investment in Industry 4.0. German businesses plan to invest around €40 billion in network production over the next 5 years. A study by PricewaterhouseCoopers says that's about half of all German equipment investment expected for that period. Businesses, especially those in the mechanical engineering, plant construction, IT, and communications technology sectors, plan to digitalize their production systems to increase efficiency and cut costs.
Popular investment location, US investor Warren Buffett focuses on Germany. Buffett has bought Hamburg-based Detlef Lewis, Europe's largest motorcycle apparel and accessories retailer. The family-run company has more than 70 outlets and employs 1,600 people. After the company's founder died in 2012, the family couldn't find a buyer they liked until Buffett came along. The sale was arranged by the family's financial advisor. When the staff heard about the sale, they welcomed it, because the terms of the contract specified that they knew there wouldn't be any changes. Foreign investors like Buffett have focused on mid-sized German firms because of their sound balance sheets, their technological know-how, and their reputation for making high-quality products. Americans bought the most firms, with a total of 124, followed by the British with just under 100. There's also been an increase in mergers and acquisitions involving Germany's European neighbours. Total foreign investment in German firms last year topped out at €45 billion, and that number could increase this year, particularly if the value of the euro and interest rates stay low.
German business outlook more positive. In a surprise move, Germany's leading economic research institutes have revised their forecast for the country's economy for 2015 sharply upward. Last October, they predicted GDP growth would rise 1.2% this year. Now they're saying 2.1%, mostly because of low oil prices, a cheap euro, and increased consumer confidence.
Big market, big trade fair. 2,000 exhibitors from 18 countries took part in this year's Shanghai Autoshow. German companies like Daimler, BMW and Volkswagen showed off their new models. China's auto sales market, the world's largest, has cooled a little, but people are still buying a lot of cars, particularly luxury models. In any case, Chinese auto sales are expected to rise 10% this year.
Indonesia becoming a top international market. This new subway system in the capital, Jakarta, is aimed at making life easier for commuters. But infrastructure improvements have not often kept pace with economic growth. Indonesia has a growing middle class, and it will likely grow further. Participants at this month's World Economic Forum regional meeting in Jakarta say Indonesia's economic prospects are bright indeed.
Over the last 5 and 10 years, Southeast Asia has been growing the fastest together with China and India. And the prospect remains also very strong over the next 5, 10, 15 years. So if you really want to be in a growing part of the world, you have to be here.
Indonesian President Joko Widodo welcomed more than 700 business leaders and politicians to the conference. Widodo, who was elected 6 months ago, wants to open Indonesia to more foreign investment.
I stand here today to invite you to join me and my people on an incredible journey, on an incredible adventure, and to make incredible profits.
But to make all that happen, the president says Indonesia has got to increase domestic production and improve its infrastructure. The country has already made a good start. And that was Markets on Air.